In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find out how much money YouTubers make. We're going to use a popular analytics website called Social Blade. It doesn't give perfectly exact numbers because only the creator and YouTube know that, but it does give realistic estimates based on views and channel performance. By the end of this video, you'll know how to look up any public YouTube channel and understand roughly what they might be earning. Start by opening your internet browser and going to Google. In the Google search bar, type in Social Blade and press enter. This is the easiest way to get to the site, even if you've never used it before. On the results page, look for the official Social Blade website. It should clearly say Social Blade in the title and show the correct web address. Click on that result to open the Social Blade homepage. Once Social Blade loads, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. This is where you can look up different creators and channels. Make sure the platform is set to YouTube, which it usually is by default. Click into the search bar and type the name of the YouTuber you're interested in. Try to type it exactly as it appears on YouTube. If the name is common, you may see several results. After you've typed the name, press enter or click the search icon. Social Blade will show you a list of channels that match what you typed. Look carefully through the list and find the correct channel. You can usually confirm it by checking the profile picture, the subscriber count, or small details that match what you see on YouTube. When you've found the right channel, click on the channel name. This will take you to that creator's Social Blade profile page. Here is where the interesting information appears. On this page, you'll see a comprehensive breakdown of their channel statistics. This often includes daily, weekly, and monthly views, subscriber changes, and estimated earnings. Social Blade usually shows a range for earnings, like a low estimate and a high estimate, because ad rates can vary a lot depending on the audience and niche. As a rule of thumb, the real number is often somewhere in the middle of that range. You can also scroll down to see how their performance changes over time. This helps you understand not just what they might make now, but how their channel is growing and how that might affect their income in the future.